Hi there. Hi, it's me, Linda Christensen. Happy Canada Day, happy Independence Day. It's an awesome week that we're having as we're celebrating living in the most awesome, amazing countries that we do. We're very, very blessed. And people are celebrating out there. I don't know if you might hear them hollering. Anyways, I have something exciting for you. I want to do this week just a little mini series on messages from the universe, all right? And I want to actually promote a little bit here. I have my book, I don't know if you can see it there, Intuition Knows, How to Use the Power of Intuition to Get Guidance, Clarity, and Inspiration for Life Success. And because of Canada Day and Independence Day this week, I put together a course based on this book on how to use intuition on a special price sale. As you can see below by a link, it's for $27 this week, normally $67. So woo, you got 40 bucks off, Canadian. All right, there's some Canadian funds. Now, why should we even all be interested in this? In terms of being able to tune in to intuition and get guidance from the universe. Well, just as you may not know, but I've been teaching comparative religion for over 30 years. And as you study the history of humanity, this is important stuff. If we go as far back as time as you can go to the earliest civilizations, this was very much a key focus and concern, all right? So just to give you an example, the Sumerians, the oldest civilization of 4000 BC, they put together a book called the Enuma Elish. And in that book, it contains a record covering hundreds of years of observation, where they watched the movement of the heavens, the stars, the planets, the movement of the clouds, the movement of birds and animals, right? And they believed by observing nature, there were messages, there were signs that one would be able to predict the future as a result, and that could protect us from danger and harm and lead us into greater success in life. And so, hey, they weren't the only ones. We find this in all civilizations and cultures, this concern. And this is something we've lost touch with today, and something we indeed can get tuned in with again, so that we also can be guided in life, be in tune with the universe, be protected from danger and harm, and have a more successful life. So I invite you to check out my course that I said is on special this week. And every day I'm going to be putting up a little post on messages from the universe, highlighting different aspects. And so today it was about reading the signs of nature, all right? Tuning in to the movement and flow of could be how animals that show up, different synchronicities that show up, but there are messages out there in the outer world, in nature itself, all right? So do check that out. Thanks so much. All right. Have a happy Canada Day today and Independence Day coming up, and celebrate this wonderful place that we live. All right. Blessings to you. Blessings. Ciao.